This chicken Milanese recipe takes plain chicken breasts and elevates them to a crispy, crunchy, juicy chicken dish in minutes. We love serving the chicken with the simplest arugula salad tossed with one of my favorite lemon vinaigrettes. For the 5-minute dressing, whisk lemon juice, Dijon, honey, salt, pepper, a tiny bit of grated garlic, and olive oil. It's drizzly, bright, and goes perfectly with the chicken. Now I start with chicken breasts, cut them in 2 thinner cutlets, and then pound them thin. For the breading, you'll need flour, eggs whisked with a splash of water, and finally breadcrumbs with lots of Italian herbs and Parmesan. Season your chicken, swipe through the flour into the egg, and coat with plenty of the breadcrumb mixture. You can pan fry, bake, or air fry. I'm cooking mine in a skillet with olive oil because it gets that perfect golden brown crust. All 3 cooking methods are on Inspired Taste. To bring this all together, add some arugula to a bowl, add some of that lemony vinaigrette from earlier, and finish with extra parm. My 5-year-old loves this, not the salad, but that's fine, and Adam and I make it when we want a special dinner at home.